Vlogmas. You guys, I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope I don't disappoint you, but I am going to strive and attempt to do Vlogmas. I'm trying to do it the right way, and I think I'm trying to do it the right way. And to my knowledge, the right way would be to start like a day or two before the 1st of December. And I don't know how this is gonna go, because y'all know I go missing. I do. My long vlogs be patchy, so I'm just trying to figure out how a daily vlog is gonna like actually look. Probably very limited editing, because whatever I capture is gonna be what I need, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a try. My camera's giving me a hard time right now. Something about my lens is like jamming, so it won't zoom out. I was actually able to get it to zoom out this particular time. I might have to limit how much I zoom in on things, because it's really hard to get the lens to go back in when I adjust it. I don't know what that's about, but that's neither here nor there. It is Wednesday the 30th, and I just got in from Denver last night. Well, I got in yesterday around like 1, and I spent a couple hours with Christina, just catching up with her and her holiday, because she went home to Memphis. So as soon as I hit this area, I went by my vendors and made pickups for things that I sold over Black Friday that I need to restock. So I think I got everything. There's one piece I wasn't 100% sure about. I told them I needed a restock of it, but I might not. So I'm gonna pack orders to see if I actually need to go pick it up. And yeah, you guys, it is probably a little after 10, maybe 10:30. I woke up this morning and I was working on social, responding to customers' emails, and I don't know, I'm about to pack orders. I have a lot of orders from Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I need to go ahead and work on getting those out. So that's my task for today. So that will be my vlog for today. Packing Black Friday orders and Cyber Monday orders. And then I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. I don't know how this go, but I'm going to try. I'm going to give it my all. So you guys, I'm about to pack some orders. And yeah, hopefully today goes okay with packing orders and stuff. I've been like trying to, I've been minimizing my movement a lot, because I don't know if I slept on my neck the wrong way on Sunday night or what exactly happened, but I barely could move my neck on Monday and on yesterday. And my mom gave me some muscle relaxers that I've been taking. I've been splitting them in half, because you know muscle relaxers make you really tired and relaxed. I'm definitely feeling slower because this neck is really bothering me. But yeah, let's try to get this stuff packed up. I'm nervous because I think I'm about to run out of paper. Oh, thank God. I need supplies, like really bad. I have mailers coming today. And I have mailers coming today, and I have, oh, that's it. I have mailers coming today. But I need more paper. What the heck? I'm ready to have a baby. Kinda. I think I want the other stuff though. It's not just the baby. I want the other stuff too. I ain't trying to be a baby mama. But I just keep seeing all these young ladies so younger than me. They're on like their second child. And I'm just like, oh, I think I want that for me. Is that weird? Why my Bluetooth not working?
Buy your tickets now at legolands.com.
Good job, ho. Hey! Oh, man.
Okay, so you may be wondering.
No! Okay, so it's actually a few hours later. It's probably like 3 o'clock. And I have a nice amount of orders packed. I still have a lot to do. I didn't get to all of them that I had. I just realized that I'm just really not, I don't have enough supplies. Like my mailers supposed to come in from Amazon, but they don't arrive till today. So to be honest, I'm probably gonna have to stay up and pack a few orders this evening after the mailers arrive. I have a few, I was using the big ones that I have, but I don't want to use all my big ones for like one pieces. Because I don't think the ones that I have coming are as big as the ones that I have right now. And I only have about 2 to 3 big ones left, and I have a few orders that are pretty large. So I prefer to save those for that. The mailers I have coming are big, but not as big as the mailers that I have right now. So I figured I'll just stop where I'm at, and I'll go ahead and drop off what I have. Watch maintenance come when I'm not home. Okay. Had to close the office door because if maintenance comes, I don't want my inventory out like that. All right, let's go.
Visions of you and I. See you around my way. Didn't mean to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a city.
They look like McDonald's chicken nuggets. They say tempura nuggets, but they just look like a version of McDonald's nuggets. So I'm about to try one out. I want to know. And Karma, they look like it too. It's giving me McDonald's nugget. Let's eat two. Just want to taste. All right. I don't got no sauce. I will make some honey mustard, but I'm not doing that for 2 nuggets. This is what they look like. And guess what, y'all? They taste just like McDonald's, but maybe better. The meat is really white. These are good. I'm sorry, I love hot food. So you see that? I'm not fazed by it at all. Okay. Let me show you the bag again. All right, they're made by Country Pride. And this is what the bag looks like. And you see they look just like McDonald's nuggets on the bag. I got mine from Ralph's, but Ralph's for some people will be Kroger. These are good. If you like McDonald's nuggets, you'll like these. Dinner is just gonna consist of some pepper steak. So I got me a piece of sirloin tip.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta
You
sweat
be a
that.
trash, I'll be the rubber band. You be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Chipped out, you are the choke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the I'll be the rubber band, you be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Chipped out, you are the choke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the news.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
Say I am the one, cause you want to. Spend the night, even when it's dark, even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I. Pretty little, you and I, slip on the spot, baby. Do the things that you should, oh, that sure thing. You and I, slip on the spot, baby. Do the things that you should, oh, that sure thing.
Sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. could bet that.